In this video I'm going to show you how to create Facebook page. So first of all, open Facebook
and go to menu, which is top right. Then click on See More. Scroll down and click on Pages. And then click on Create. Click on Get Started. What's the name of your page? Use the name of your business, brand or organization, or a name that helps explain your page, and click Next. What category best describes category will help people find this page, and search results you can add up to 3. I had one category, for example tech, that says information technology company. I select this option and create. What best describes your goals? We'll use this to help you finish setting up. It won't change your access to all of your page's features. Here is 2 options that says promote your products or services. Means best for companies, charities, and other organizations. And second option that says create content and connect with fans, means best for creators and personal brands, so you select first option. If you are a businessman, I select second option and continue. Customize your page. Your profile picture is one of the first things that people see. Try using your logo or a simple image that people can easily associate with you. Next. Invite friends. Grow your presence by inviting your friends to like your new page. Next. Stay informed about your page. Turn on these features to help make the most of TVW. You can change them at any time in settings, and click Done. Welcome to your new page. You are now switched out of your profile and into your page. This means that you will have more confidence that you're sharing, liking, and commenting as the page. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.